Have you ever walked into a room and felt like you were completely invisible? Like everyone connected so easily, and you just stood there on the sidelines? Let me tell you the truth. People who seem naturally magnetic aren't born that way. They know 5 things, and one of them is that you're doing it wrong right now. I'll give you that secret at the end, because it really changes everything. When you see people connect with each other instantly, it seems like there's something wrong with you. But the reality is very different. People who win hearts don't have any magic. They just repeat a few habits. I'll show you those habits right now. I used to do the same thing. I would sit in a coffee shop and stare at my phone, secretly hoping someone would come and talk to me. But no one would. And the problem wasn't personality. The problem was my first 3 seconds. When you walk into a place, people make a decision about you in 3 seconds. If you walk in with your head down and your phone down, you're sending a silent signal. Don't talk. I'm not available. Magnetic people keep their heads level, look around casually like they belong there. And most importantly, a second of eye contact and a slight friendly smile. That's all it takes to open a door in someone's mind. I tested this in a bookstore. I just walked in casually, made a second of eye contact with 2 people, gave a slight smile. And a few minutes later someone came up to me and asked, "How is this book?" It was the first time. After the first 3 seconds, something else ruins everything. Body language. I always stood with my hands in my pockets, shoulders hunched, weight on one leg. From the outside, it looked like I was in no mood to talk. I wasn't pretending to be, but my body was telling a story I didn't want to tell. Then I opened up my posture. Hands free, shoulders slightly back, face relaxed. Just that little change made people feel comfortable talking to me. People would come and sit down in the cafe. People would pull me into the conversation at events. Now let's get to the secret weapon that takes over once the conversation starts. And it's not about being funny or interesting. It's curiosity. Magnetic people don't dominate conversations, they explore. They ask, they listen, they follow up. A simple question at the right time opens people up immediately. And this might surprise you. Powerful people don't shy away from silence. They don't fill every gap. They are calmly present. And that calmness attracts others. When you are comfortable with yourself, people naturally come to you. But here's the biggest twist. Most people are invisible because they wait for validation. Magnetic people walk with a different mindset. I belong here. If someone talks, great, I'm fine. This energy is felt. That's the vibe that attracts people. The day you stop waiting for approval from others, that's the day people will come to you. Confidence isn't performed, it's felt. And when it's felt, you're not invisible.